Hot Barbie summer.
What Juicy say? Like,
Hello everyone. Today I wanted to film a back to school kind of makeup look, very beginner friendly for the people who want to get into makeup. So I'm starting out by mixing a concealer and my foundation. I'm using it basically as a concealer. While concealing under my eyes, I go ahead and conceal my eyebrows. In the video, I did not show me doing my eyebrows, but I just used a regular eyelash mascara and I lightly brush up my hairs and then I put them in place. This is basically just like using eyebrow gel, but it's just tinted.
I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that, and I really wanna know where you where I was that back, where the stash at, cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas under where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder, nigga try to keep me 5 miles water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my dog.
Now I'm taking this fluffy angled brush and I'm going to blend everything out.
My whole arm in the rim is collar, and I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely skin never seen top water. Got a bitch that's looking like a little she a model. I got
A tip I would get for blending would be to take your time, because while blending out your makeup, if you don't blend it out enough, it can look very splotchy and it wouldn't look very even and natural.
The whole damn deal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga soul, got cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. 6// I won't never sell my.
Now I'm just taking any makeup residue left over in the brush and patting dark spots that I wouldn't really put any makeup on, but I'm just using it to even out my skin. Even though we're going for a more dewy and natural look, you should still powder your face because makeup moves throughout the day, and having a set of powder just kind of helps keep it in place and also keep it from going on to other things.
When the president candidate, I'd have put 100 bands on Zimmerman. I've been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a grip. Shawty call me Chris.
Now I'm lightly dusting off any excess powder with the brush that I use for my foundation.
Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, I had the coupe in the lot.
Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and use it as contour for my nose. This is the only place that I contour my face because I don't really like to contour my cheekbones.
I got the mojo pills, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga soul.
If you guys would want a more in-depth tutorial on my nose contour, I will post a reel/TikTok.
Oh, and I can take that, and I really wanna know where you where.
Now I'm taking another setting powder, but this time instead of it being translucent, it is more brown. This is what I'm going to use to help blend in any unblended lines that are in my face from the powder, or either from not blending out my concealer/foundation clear enough. Now I'm taking this almost brown lip tint and now I'm just adding color to the inner parts of my lips. I'm using a liquid Revlon lipstick and I blend that in with my foundation to make more of a cream, I guess, blush. And I add this on my face, on my upper cheekbones, and on the bridge of my nose, almost kind of where I place the contour. Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'ma fuck applying highlights to my face. And with that, the makeup look is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you find it helpful. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Exhausted. Guess what?